Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing good. So recently I have purchased the Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera, and I have already done a unboxing and first boot of the camera. I have a link in the description of the video. If you want to check it out, please go and watch that. In that video I have told you that I have bought a few accessories. So I have bought one tempered glass to cover the screen of the camera, and I have bought a metal cage to protect the camera. Since this is a very small compact mirrorless camera, very light, and it is very compact in size for easy shooting, it is very essential to keep this camera safe because it is very expensive camera. There is a chance that it may fall down from the hand if not handled carefully. So that is why I ordered a metal cage from Amazon so that it gives a protection to the camera. I'm quickly going to show you for the metal cage it by opening the box. This has just arrived today. I have ordered it from Amazon. This costed me around 5,700 rupees. The exact price I'll give in the video. So I'm quickly going to unbox it. Then I'll attach the metal cage in the camera, and then I'm going to show you how it is looking and how good the quality of the metal cage is to protect the camera. So let's unbox the metal cage. For unboxing, I have my scissors with me. I ordered it today and I got it within one day. So it was very great delivery from Amazon that I got the product delivered within one day. So this is the actual box pack of the metal rig, and you can see this is the image cage with grip for Sony ZV-E10. So this also comes with a added grip, which is very good because the grip on the camera is quite small because it is a compact one. The price mentioned here is 5,900, so I bought it for about 5,700 rupees. So I'm quickly going to open this box now. The box is also sealed. You can see I'm just going to use the scissor to open the seal, and this way it is open. Now that the seal is open, let's open the box and see what is there inside. So the packaging is very eco-friendly. It is quite nice. So here is the metal cage, and I believe they have given some screws to tighten it. So I keep it here. Eco-friendly packaging, and the quality feels very nice, a little bit heavy, and it is made of metal. If you can hear the sound, I'm going to quickly keep this box away now. So this is the metal cage that I get in the box. This is a nice silicone grip, and this is the screws to tighten it. This way you can hold it. As you can see, all my fingers are quite good rested on it. It feels like the DSLR grip that I already have. The quality seems good. It has all the button cutouts, on-off switches written on it, different mounts, and I believe, yes, you can also mount it vertically if you put the camera inside it. Otherwise, you can mount the camera like this on the tripod, but you cannot mount it without this cage. So it is very essential that you get it one. It will be very helpful. Now I'm going to quickly get the camera and fit in it, and then I'm going to show you how does it looks. So here I have my camera and the metal grip. Putting it is very easy. Just need to slide it inside, and this area of the screen mount goes inside this so that you can mount it inside. And you also have a magnetic screw inbuilt so that with which you can just tighten it. So I'm going to just put the camera inside. So it has gone in. Tight this thing up, and it is getting tightened. It is now totally tightened, and you can keep this screw here. It is magnetic, so it will not come off. So whenever you want to take out the cage, you can just use this one. Now it does feel good. It has these hinges here, and this is how it is looking, and it does provide a good grip to the camera, and it does feel very nice. You still have control for all the ports. You have the on-off button here and everything. We have two hinges over here. I think the other tools which are supplied. What else we have? So we have one screw and few more things. Yes, so these are to be used on the sides to mount it. So I'm going to just do that, and I'll show you how the final thing it is looking. So now I have installed the metal cage. As you can see, this is how it looks. Says SmallRig from the brand which has made it. Quality is quite good, even though it's a made in China product. It is powder coated metal. It will keep the camera safe if it gets dropped like this or on this side. But if it drops like this, then here there is no protection. It would be nice if it extended this area also, but you get what you get. All the ports are accessible Even you can open the battery compartment also, so no problem with that. Battery compartment and SD card both are accessible, and here you have different mounts where you can put it on a tripod. One good thing about this rig is that you get an extra cold shoe mount over here. I'm going to quickly attach two attachments on the cold shoe mounts. So this is one that we get with the camera, that is the wind guard for the microphone, and I have my Rode mic which I'm just going to slide it inside like this. So you have one extra cold shoe mount where you can attach your attachments like a flashlight or a additional microphone like here what I have attached, so which is quite nice. This is how it looks from the front, and this grip is of silicone, so it does provide good and leaves the camera enough space for heat dissipation when you're using it for an extended period. So tell me your thoughts in the comment section, guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. So that was all about the unboxing and first look of the SmallRig metal cage for Sony ZV-E10 camera. In coming months, I'll be putting a complete performance review of the camera. How does it feel? How does it shoot? What is the quality? So make sure to follow our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. Like the video and share it with your social community. So this is Kalpak signing off. Take care, goodbye, and see you soon in our next video.